Once the installation is completed, let us now understand the usage procedure for the 300-liter slurry filter. This unit has a capacity of handling maximum 7 kilograms of solids. For preparation of Jivamrita, we can use maximum 5 kilo of cow dung, 5 liter Gomutra, 1 kilo jaggery, and 1 kilogram flour. For any other slurries, ensure that the amount of solids do not exceed 7 kilo. We need to start by adding water to the unit. We will do this by starting this water. But first, we need to open this valve and then start filling water. Keep filling water in the unit till it starts to overflow from the grey valve. Once water starts to overflow from the grey valve, close this valve and stop filling water. Now pour the ingredients one by one from the top. Using the water connection now, fill up rest of the unit. Top it up till the edge of the lid. We have to leave the prepared slurry for 4 days. Occasionally, pump the liquid using the given hand pump or use an electric air blower for agitation. On day 5, we will simply need to open the outlet valve in the front. Filtered slurry will start flowing. Capture it in a storage tank. We expect to receive approximately 200 liters of filtered slurry. Flushing or cleaning is a very important and mandatory activity. It needs to be done after every usage. It is done in the following 4 steps. Let's look at each step more closely. Step 1. There are 2 flush valves on the unit. Open both these flush valves simultaneously. Step 2. Keep both the flush valves open. Now, start the water connection in the top side for 5 to 10 seconds only. This water connection needs to have pressure. As soon as you start the water, it starts flowing from the open flush valve with 2 red stickers. Keep this water on only for 5 to 10 seconds. Then, stop and wait for the water to flow out of unit completely. Once the unit is empty, we will have to repeat this step. Starting the water for 5 to 10 seconds, closing the water line and waiting to empty the unit. Repeat this step till the water coming out of flush valve number 2 is clean. Step 3. Both flush valves are still kept open. In this step, we will use the water connection in the bottom. Like in the last step, start the water only for 5 to 10 seconds and close it. Water starts coming out from the flush valve with a single red dot on it. Wait for the unit to become empty again. Then, repeat the process of starting the water in the bottom. Each time, keep the water running for 5 to 10 seconds and then stopping water. Each time, observe the color of the water exiting from the back side flush valve. Repeat this process of starting and stopping water till the water coming out from this flush valve starts to come out clean. Step 4. In the last step, we need to close both the flush valves and fill the unit completely with water. Once it is full, we open both the flush valves once more to empty the unit. Once the unit is empty, flushing process is now completed. For any queries, do reach out to us.